Sony hasn't officially revealed the A7S IV yet. There are no press teasers, no confirmed leaks from Sony, and no reliable specification sheet floating around. On paper, the camera is still just speculation. But in practice, the Sony A7S IV has already become one of the most heavily discussed unreleased cameras in the entire Sony ecosystem. That gap between official silence and industry anticipation is exactly what makes it so important. To understand why people care so much about the Sony A7S IV, you have to look at what came before it. The A7S III arrived in 2020, and at the time, it was considered one of the most balanced video-focused mirrorless cameras ever made. It didn't try to win resolution battles or push extreme pixel counts. Instead, it focused on practical filmmaking needs, strong low-light performance, clean 4K video, and autofocus reliability that worked in real-world conditions, not just controlled environments. Since that release, however, the entire camera industry has moved forward. Competing systems have evolved in different directions. Some brands pushed higher resolution for hybrid creators and commercial photographers, while others focused on video flexibility and open cinematic workflows. Even within Sony's own lineup, the FX series has expanded the company's presence in the cinema camera space, creating overlap between dedicated video tools and hybrid mirrorless systems. In contrast, the A7S line has remained unchanged for years. That long silence has created a noticeable gap in Sony's product strategy. It's not just about missing hardware updates, it's about whether Sony still sees value in the philosophy that defined the series in the first place. That philosophy has always been clear: image quality is not defined by megapixels alone. The A7S concept prioritizes clean high ISO performance, usable shadows in extreme lighting conditions, and dependable autofocus under pressure. It is designed for creators who care more about consistency in real production environments than theoretical image resolution. The Sony A7S III proved that this approach still had a strong place in the market. It became a trusted tool for filmmakers, documentary shooters, wedding videographers, and hybrid creators who needed a camera that simply worked regardless of lighting, movement, or shooting conditions. Even years after its release, it remains widely used because it solves real-world problems rather than chasing experimental features. Importantly, the A7S line has not been discontinued. Despite online speculation, Sony has not replaced or abandoned it. The A7S III is still part of the current lineup and continues to receive support. Sony typically does not retire successful product families quietly; instead, it evolves them when the timing and technology align. Looking at Sony's recent development trends gives some clues about where the Sony A7S IV might go. Across newer cameras, Sony has been steadily introducing faster sensor readout speeds, more advanced AI-based autofocus systems, and improved processing engines. These features point toward a clear direction: more intelligence, more speed, and better real-time image processing. If that pattern continues, the Sony A7S IV will almost certainly start with a redesigned sensor. One of the most widely discussed possibilities is a stacked CMOS sensor or an advanced variation of it. A stacked design allows significantly faster readout speeds, which directly reduces rolling shutter distortion. For video creators, this means smoother motion, more natural panning, and fewer artifacts in fast-moving scenes. Some discussions also point toward more experimental sensor architectures, including dual-layer designs that could improve dynamic range by separating highlight and shadow processing. While this is still speculative, it aligns with broader industry research into improving tonal range without sacrificing speed or noise performance. Resolution is another topic of debate, but expectations here are more measured. The A7S line has always been defined by low resolution in exchange for better light sensitivity. The A7S III uses a 12.1 megapixel sensor, which prioritizes low light clarity over pixel count. However, modern workflows have changed. Many creators now rely on cropping flexibility, oversampled video, and multi-platform delivery formats. Because of that shift, some analysts expect the Sony A7S IV could move slightly higher, possibly into the 20 to 24 megapixel range. This would still be relatively low compared to other full-frame cameras, but it would offer more flexibility in post-production without compromising the core low-light strengths of the series. Even so, it is unlikely that Sony will turn the A7S IV into a high-resolution camera or push it toward extreme formats like 8K focused workflows. That role is already covered elsewhere in Sony's lineup. The A7S series has always been positioned differently. It is not about maximum resolution, it is about maximum usability in difficult conditions. A more realistic direction is improved 6K capture with high-quality oversampled 4K output. This approach would enhance detail, reduce noise, and improve color accuracy while keeping file sizes manageable for professional workflows. It also aligns with how most real-world video content is still delivered today. Autofocus is another area expected to evolve significantly. Sony already leads the industry in autofocus performance, especially in video tracking. The A7S III performs exceptionally well in low light and maintains stable focus in complex scenes. However, newer AI-driven systems are now capable of much more advanced subject recognition and prediction. Future improvements are likely to include better subject identification, predictive motion tracking, and more intelligent scene analysis. Instead of simply reacting to movement, the system would anticipate it. In practical use, this could reduce focus hunting, improve tracking during chaotic environments, and create a smoother shooting experience overall. Processing power will also play a critical role. Sony's newer processors already integrate AI acceleration for tasks like noise reduction, autofocus decisions, and image optimization. A next-generation processor in the Sony A7S IV would likely expand these capabilities further, allowing more complex processing in real time without overheating or performance limitations. And that may be exactly what it needs to be. Not a revolution, but a continuation of a philosophy that has always prioritized one thing above everything else: consistent, dependable image quality when it matters most.